Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to air fry raw peanuts. I got this bag of peanuts from Sprouts. So you put your peanuts in the air fryer, add some oil. You can add seasoning if you want, but I'm just going to add some oil to it. And after that, you just shake well to make sure that all the peanuts are mixed in the oil, and put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Every 5 minutes, you're going to check and shake, so that way it doesn't get burnt. And then once 15 minutes is over, then it's ready. Okay. And this is me shaking it after 5 minutes of cooking, of air frying it. And start it up again. All right. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. Okay, and then we're going to open it up, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so peeling off the raw peanuts, getting the skin off of it. Very nice and easy, crunchy, fresh, no chemicals. It tastes like the store-bought peanuts that you buy in the store. Once you take off all the skin, at this time you can add any spices you want. Thank you. Bye.